Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Seahorses don't have stomachs or teeth. The average NFL career lasts about 3 years, and nearly 80% of players are bankrupt within 3 years of retirement. A hurricane weighs about 54,000 tons. Exploding head syndrome is a condition in which a person often hears loud crashing noises when falling asleep or waking up. Coconut oil is a superfood. It can kill harmful bacteria in your stomach. In 1944, the UK hatched a plan to assassinate Hitler, Operation Foxtree. It was ultimately cancelled for fear that a more competent strategist would take his place. There are breathable liquids that help you respire underwater. Robin Williams was voted the funniest and least likely to succeed in high school. Killer whales migrate to warmer waters to help their skin recover. The VW Beetle on the cover of the Beatles' Abbey Road had its license plate repeatedly stolen after the album was released. Greek statues were initially painted in vivid colors that have now worn off. In 2016, over half of all Americans forfeited vacation days, amounting to 206 million unused vacation days worth some $66.4 billion. Using the Red Cross as a symbol of health in a video game or any other commercial product technically constitutes a violation of the Geneva Convention. A company called Frostbeard Studio makes nerdy candles that smell like books. Some of their scents include old books, Oxford Library Headmaster's Office, and Wizardy Butter Drink. Elephants turn into Santa for children in school during Christmas. Milkshakes originally contained alcohol. A data analysis of over 970,000 people found that those who drank the most coffee had a 14% lower risk of dying prematurely from any cause compared to those who drank the least. National sport of Afghanistan is goat grabbing. February 13th is Galentine's Day, a day for women to celebrate their best girlfriends. BJP of India is the largest political party of the world with over 100 million party workers. Most dog owners would rather hang out with their dogs than other people, according to a 2018 study. Australian fire literally melting metal. Economics and business majors are more likely to be psychopaths, according to researchers in Denmark. The world record for the most people making snow angels at the same time is 8,962. People who drink their coffee black are more likely to be psychopaths, according to a study from the University of Innsbruck in Austria. The world's tallest snowman was a girl. She measured 122 feet 1 inch. Researchers analyzed eye movements of strangers as they looked at potential partners. The results revealed an interesting pattern. When someone judged a stranger as depicting feelings of a romantic love, their eyes stayed fixed on the stranger's face. You can damage your hearing by holding sneeze. Home pregnancy tests use antibodies that bind to hormones in a pregnant woman's urine. The antibodies have dye molecules attached to them, which create a visible line on the test. The world's largest meteorology lesson was attended by 10,110 people. In some parts of Antarctica, the ice is 5 kilometers thick. When you drink alcohol, it acts to raise the level of GABA in the brain. GABA is one of the brain's neurotransmitters that helps you to feel relaxed and also inhibit normal or active brain functioning. When you drink a hot drink, your body produces sweat to cool down your body temperature. Initially, it may raise body temperature, but the amount of sweat that your body produces to cool down makes up for the added heat from the liquid. Mosquitoes are not active during the daytime as exposure to the sun can dehydrate and kill them. Therefore, they rest during the day in dark, sheltered places away from the scorching heat. As the sun goes down, mosquitoes come out of their shelters and start their hunt. India's heat savior, terracotta. Indians have found a perfect way to fight with the summers, and the solution is terracotta. Terracotta is a fairly coarse, porous clay that, when fired, takes a color ranging from dull ochre to red and usually is left unglazed. We often use terracotta in our daily lives even without realizing it. Here are some popular everyday things when terracotta is used. Terracotta water coolers, terracotta flooring, terracotta walls, terracotta roof tiles, terracotta facades, terracotta air conditioner. Thanks for watching.